Happy Black History Month. We're talking about family today, Black families in particular, specifically when your family members aren't doing what you believe they should be doing.
So our focus for this workshop will be to help you say yes to expanding your wealth consciousness so that you can define and create a legacy of wealth for future generations.
So welcome to this workshop on self-forgiveness as the foundation for true celebration. I want to start off by introducing the concept of Sankofa. Sankofa is from the Twi language of Ghana, and it actually means in order to move forward, we have to step back. So it's not just looking at our past and complaining, but going to the past as a way to step fully into the future that we want. History is about looking back. It's also about acknowledging the past with critical examination and retrieving the lessons learned. Like, what is it that we want to continue doing? What has been lost that we would benefit from being revived? And what needs to be what I call compassionately laid to rest?
The theme for Black History Month this year is Black health and wellness. And as I was reading about and reflecting on this theme, I started thinking about like my family, my parents, and the impact of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease on the mental health and well-being, physical well-being of our families and our communities. And what I did and what I want you to consider as it relates to your loved one is to become aware that there's two models that are in play. You have your loved one's model, their circumstances, thoughts, feelings, actions, results. That combination of thoughts, feelings, and actions of your loved ones is who they are. That's who they're being, who they have the right to be as humans. And their actions flow into our C line, your circumstance line, and you have agency to choose what you want to believe and who you want to be in relationship with your loved ones.
So I didn't come to this work inspired or pumped. I came from a deep sense of restlessness and a nudge within me to look inwards. Money is our world's symbol of wealth. And I want to offer an alternative perspective that money, possessions, your job don't necessarily equate to wealth. What if wealth is actually our consciousness about wealth? When you cultivate and expand your wealth consciousness, you are no longer preoccupied with not having enough or losing what you do have. You aren't motivated to create wealth from fear, uncertainty, and insecurity, and you begin to treat wealth, financial and more, as an expression of what is deeply meaningful to you.
And this Black History Month is a time for what I call reflective contemplation and celebration. It's important to recognize as Black people our progress, to recognize the contributions that we have made, and to reclaim our stories and to tell our stories in our own voice and to tell the stories that have not yet been told.